Assalamu alaikum doctors. So let's talk about the precocious puberty. What is precocious puberty? It is the early onset and rapid progression of the puberty. And puberty is said to be precocious if thelarache or adrenarche occur below 8 years in girls or if menstruation occur below 10 years in girls. So what is precocious puberty? Puberty is said to be precocious if thelarache or adrenarche it occur below 8 years in girls or if menstruation occur in girls below 10 years. So that is called precocious puberty. And as you know that normally the physical changes that is occurring in the puberty, initially there is thelarache, then there is adrenarche, then there is growth spurt, and then there is menstruation. Already we discussed it previously. So thelarache is the breast budding, while adrenarche is the pubic or hair growth. So it is occur normally in 9 to 10 years. Adrenarche occur in 10 to 11 years. While growth spurt occur in 11 to 12 years, while menstruation occur in 12 to 13 years. So it is the normal pattern. But in the condition of precocious puberty, their thelarache or adrenarche occur below 8 years in girls, or menstruation occur below 10 years in girls. Now, additionally, it is also believed that the girls who are living in a cold climate area, they are at very high risk of the precocious puberty as compared to the girls who are living in a warm climate area. They are more prone to the delayed puberty. Now, let's talk about the types of the precocious puberty. So, what are the types of precocious puberty? So there are two types of precocious puberty, that is complete precocious puberty and incomplete precocious puberty. And complete precocious puberty, all the three components they are there. There will be thelarache, adrenarche and menarche. But in the condition of incomplete precocious puberty, there are either thelarache, adrenarche or menarche. There are all three components is there, but in the condition of incomplete precocious puberty, here it is only one single variant is present. Now, what are the etiology? For the etiology, the precocious puberty, it is categorized into two parts, that is androgen dependent precocious puberty, androgen dependent precocious puberty, and androgen independent precocious puberty. Now, an androgen dependent precocious puberty, here the follicle stimulating hormone is increases. Along with that, the estrogen level is also raised from the normal value. So here the main causes are, there are two possible causes for it. Either it is idiopathic or there will be some kind of or if there is some sort of CNS pathology. So the idiopathic, it is the most common cause, and here the individual presented with the more than 6 year usually, but here it is presented with the less year. In the history you will be found that if there is less than 6 years, they will be more prone to the CNS pathology, or if the or if the baby is more than of 6 years, so the cause will be mostly likely they are idiopathic. And the CNS pathology, there will be like optic neuroglioma, there will be craniopharyngioma, traumatic brain injury. So in all these kind of pathology, they are be associated. While on another hand, androgen independent precocious puberty, here the follicle stimulating hormone level is decreases and estrogen is raised from the normal value. So what are the cause for it? That is either there will be granulosa cell tumor, or there will, a very important cause for it, that is Muykin-Albright syndrome. That is Muykin-Albright syndrome. And what is Muykin-Albright syndrome? Muykin-Albright syndrome, here there is precocious puberty, there will be multiple history of fractures, and there are light brown skin pigmentation. and that is called as cephalate spots. That is called cephalate spots. So don't forget this point. So in this condition, the cause are granulosa cell tumor, and usually it is treated with the surgery. While the Mukin-Albright syndrome, it is characterized by precocious puberty. There will be multiple history of fractures, and there are light brownish skin pigmentation, often called cephalate spots. So how you will treat the condition? You will give the aromatase inhibitors. You will give the aromatase inhibitors. Normally, the aromatase is an enzyme which act on androgen and convert into the estrogen. Now, if we give the aromatase inhibitors, so it means it will decrease the level of the estrogen, and this is the main cause of our treatment. So as here the estrogen level is high, so we will reduce the estrogen level by giving some kind of aromatase inhibitors. So students, that's all about the precocious puberty. I hope you will get the lecture. Thank you so much.